Well, I hope you're staying warm and safe on this cold, snowy, and wintry Thursday night into our Friday morning. Here's what we're looking at. High impacts on the roads with icy and slick roads expected due to the bitterly cold temperatures moving in. So for the rest of tonight into our early Friday morning, temperatures will be dropping down to the teens, even single digits, and that's going to create some treacherous and hazardous driving conditions. Even in parts of the valley where we didn't see as much snow as expected, true, but a little bit of snow bands that moved through earlier on Thursday evening, kind of coating the roads, and just the moisture will refreeze. So some scattered snow bands early, but mainly the icy, treacherous roads expected overnight into early Friday morning with the bitterly cold air moving in. Here's what we're talking about. 15 for the low tonight in Knoxville, 8 for the low temperature in Crossville, a low temperature of, count them, 5 in Jamestown and Fentress County. That's the low temperature expected, single digits and teens. So obviously any moisture is going to refreeze, especially as we go through the overnight hours and Friday morning. Wind chills will be in the upper single digits to near 10 degrees early in the morning in the valley. Look at these below zero wind chills by 6 a.m. Friday expected for portions of the plateau. So a very cold night. The winds are going to pick up. And again, not great to be out and about. Hopefully your power is on and you're staying warm. Let me step out of the way. These are some snowfall totals received today. These were taken from earlier by late Thursday afternoon into early evening. And so additional light amounts are possible to these. But Jamestown 6 inches, La Follette 4.8, Winfield and Scott County 4, Crossville, Cumberland County 4, Rugby, Morgan County 3.5, 4 inches in Tazewell, 3 inches in Maynardville and Jacksboro, and then Clinton and Anderson County 2 inches, 1 inch officially reported in Powell, which is in Knox County. So some areas did see the lower end of a range, but overall, yes, to be honest, not nearly the snowfall that we were expecting here in the valley. It just was more scattered and not continuous. We have some more snowfall reports in Kentucky. London, Kentucky 5.8, Whitley City 5.5, Monticello 4.5, Williamsburg 4, and up in Bell County, Beverly reporting 3.5 inches. So as expected, the heaviest snow did occur on the plateau in Kentucky, not as much in the valley, although there was quite a variation. This was from earlier today. High school, enough snow to cover the ground and even make a decent snowman. Look at that. Again, you can see that it looks like at least an inch or more on the ground in high school Claxton area, just about 10 miles away from Knoxville, while we didn't see as much in other parts of the valley. But that's an example of some of those snow showers. And of course, the sun is set tonight. Here's what we're seeing. Again, wintry weather moving on the way out. Friday, we do get sunshine and dry weather, but bitterly cold temperatures tonight and staying below freezing really tomorrow with a breezy wind. So bundle up. We're back in the teens tomorrow night. So any moisture tries to melt will likely refreeze. Saturday is a nice dry day in the 40s, and then late Saturday night into Sunday, rain showers are expected to move in, mainly Sunday, and that will help to wash some of the salt and the grime off our cars, so to speak. And a lot of folks may be going to the car wash if not beforehand on Saturday. So icy roads are likely tonight. Again, travel not recommended, discouraged. It's going to be windy, kind of breezy to windy and cold. 15 for the low tonight. Wind chills even colder. Sunny and cold for your Friday, staying just below freezing. Warmer 40s for your Saturday with sunshine. There's the rain, a little bit warmer, low 50s Sunday. Then a little bit colder air, but mainly dry conditions return. Low 40s for your Monday and Tuesday. Stay safe, stay warm, and have a great Friday.